Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to increase FPS while recording with OBS. So go to the OBS first. Now you have to click here this settings icon. Click on this settings. Then you'll find here the video option. Click on the video and then you can see here common FPS values. Here you can change the FPS by clicking on this drop down menu or in the line. You can see it is 10 fps, 20 fps, 24 fps, 25, 29.7, 30, 48, 50, 59.4 and 60 fps. You can change the fps from here. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.